Small business owners, if you're still doing repetitive tasks manually, you're burning time and money. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI automation tools in 2025 that can save you hours every week and help your business grow. First up is ConvertKit, an email marketing platform designed for creators and small businesses. With ConvertKit, you can automate email sequences, tag subscribers based on behavior, and send the right message to the right person at the right time. Next is Make. Previously known as Integromat, it's a visual automation platform that gives you more control than Zapier. With drag and drop modules, you can build advanced multi-step workflows like syncing data across multiple CRMs or automating reports, all without writing a single line of code. Third is Pabbly. It's a budget-friendly automation platform that's gaining traction fast. Unlike Zapier, Pabbly offers unlimited workflows even on lower-cost plans. It's great for small businesses that want reliable integrations without breaking the bank. Number 4 is ActiveCampaign. It's a powerhouse for customer experience automation. Beyond email, it handles advanced segmentation, lead scoring, and even automates parts of your sales process, making it a strong choice for small businesses that want enterprise-level features. Finally, we have Zapier. Zapier connects over 6,000 apps so your tools talk to each other. Imagine, when a customer fills out a form on your site, Zapier can instantly add them to your email list, send a notification to your team, and even create an invoice, all without you lifting a finger. So these are just a few of the top AI automation tools every small business should consider in 2025. If you want to see some real examples of tasks you can automate today, grab my free guide linked below, 10 tasks every small business should automate with AI. And of course, all the tools we covered are linked in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content on AI and using these automation tools in your small business.